A lot of you are now thinking to prepare based on self-study. Now, you are not joining any coaching institute, but at the same time, you feel that somehow you are lacking your preparation while you are studying for any competitive examination. In that scenario, what could be a good way to maintain consistency and discipline? Now, one very important thing, if you are maintaining consistency and discipline, you are doing a very good self-study and you are sure to qualify. That's one thing you must have in mind. The second thing is remove that fear from mind that if I'm doing self-study, I'm losing something which the students who are enrolled in coaching would be gaining. So two important things that should be in your mindset, and then you start your preparation. That's first thing. The second thing is, how do you make sure that you cover the content regularly? So first of all, gather the right references that you have to do. Allocate time for theory as well as questions. If it is MCQ, if it is subjective, whatever the paper pattern is. Now once you have found out the best references you need to refer and the question papers, the past year papers and the practice mock papers, then what you would do is you would have a timetable. Now I have seen lots and lots of students who actually prepare a timetable, but when it comes to following the timetable, they are not disciplined. So very important thing, create a timetable. You can take one day or just 1 or 2 hours to have a broad outline. On this day I'll cover this, on this day I'll cover this. Now once you have that time frame in mind, you would automatically every morning you'll wake up, you know that today I want to read this, you'll start reading it. Otherwise, what would happen? You would waste time every morning, every evening. What should I read? I should read this, I should read that. And that would break the consistency of your self-study. Another important thing is keep changes within your schedule that you have created. So when you have created a set schedule, make sure you are bringing in, let's say, subjects from sciences, social sciences at par. So there is change, and that would not actually bring monotony in preparation schedule. So those are some of the key things that you must keep in mind while you are preparing for your examinations. Wish you very good luck, and we are always there to help you. In case of any questions or doubts, feel free to connect back to us. I'll be more than happy to have a personal mentorship for you.